Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode we got these two amazing products right here in my hand, and basically what this one is a tripod and this one is a phone mount. So let me actually show you guys the tripod first before I show you guys that accessory. So for this tripod right here, all you guys need to do is just open up like this, and that's the furthest it can go. And you just put it onto like a flat surface or whatever if you guys want to use that option, or you can just close it like this and use it as a little selfie stick or tripod stick to do vlogging, or you guys want to do selfie. That's up to you guys. But I definitely love the way how they designed this tripod, this mini tripod in general, because it has the option for you guys to move it 360 like this. All you guys need to do is press the button here and you guys can move it like that. And once you guys let go, you guys can't move it anymore because it has a very nice grip. And it actually grips it really strong, so that way it doesn't move. So if you guys use it for your phone, or if you guys use it for your camera, you definitely can use it in that angle and definitely has a very nice grip to it. So let's take a look at the top part right here. This is where it actually will screw in the actual like camera, or you just want to screw in like the phone mount, which is what I have right here, or you guys can use those regular phone mount clips. But I actually like this a lot more. And then one last thing that I want to show you guys on the tripod itself, if I open it up, so you can see right here on all three legs, they do have this anti-slip material right here to hold it in place. So you guys don't have to worry about the tripod falling or whatever, because it'll definitely have a very nice grip on the actual bottom of the tripod itself. So that is basically what the product looks like here and how it works. Let me show you guys the other product now. So you can see this is basically a phone mount. So this one actually can clip it onto your phone and then put this on like a tripod or whatever. If you guys take a look right here and here, it definitely has a very nice grip to it, so you guys don't have to worry about the phone falling apart or getting damaged. Same thing for the other part here as well. They do have the grip part right here to prevent it from getting scratched or move around. And they do have a little screw option here, so if you guys loosen this up, you guys can move this up and down like this. And basically the way how you guys set this up is by turning this knob here. And same thing for the other side here as well. And now it becomes a phone mount clip. So I want to loosen up the back part that I showed you guys earlier, like this. And now you can clip it onto your phone. So I have my phone right here. If I clip it in like this, push it in together, turn the back part, now you guys have a phone clip. And on top part right here, if you guys want to put like your own like lighting or like your flash option, you guys can definitely put that in here. So once we have that fully set right there, I just want to use a tripod. Any kind of tripod works. I'm gonna use this one right here, screw it in. Alright, so just like that, and now you guys can start taking selfies, doing videos. If you guys want to do vlogs or whatever, that's up to you guys. But you guys are definitely not limited to just like using your phone. You guys can use it on your other cameras as well. So I've actually been using this product for quite some time when I'm like traveling to different places. It actually works really well. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that it's so compact. It's not that long compared to like normal tripod, so it definitely save a lot of space. So like if you guys want to just put this down on a table and you guys want to record yourself doing like a food video or food vlog or whatever, or just a vlog in general, you guys can definitely use that option. The one thing that you guys want to remember comparing this to like the Gorilla Pods or whatever, it doesn't have the flex option to like grip it onto somewhere. So if that's something you guys want, or if this is an issue for you guys, then that's definitely something to kind of consider. But what I suggest is that you guys can probably get one of these and get like a Gorilla Pod as well if you guys want to have those two options, and just bring with you guys when you guys are doing photos, vlogging or whatever, so that way you have a backup as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that I did a quick test of the product itself and show you guys how the product itself works, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that either one of these is super worth it. If you guys want to get the new tripods, they actually have a new one where you actually extend the leg right here to make it taller if you guys want that option. But regardless of which one you guys get, they all work really well. So I definitely have to say that it is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, they obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for the unboxing and testing the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to click on that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.